Ta-da. Fucking fabulous. Alright. Yeah.
So route's going to be one path going up the ramp here, giant loop. You just keep going till you exit out here on the left.
Okay.
You each get one of these, which gives you a list of what you have, who gets it, how to give one to whom.
Okay.
And you each get 2 drinks here with me whenever you want them. You don't have to get them now, just remember to get them here.
Okay.
Since it's later on in the day, I also want you to go directly to the Cubs now. So just right down here, wait next to the little green gate. Guy will be with you shortly.
Okay.
Once you know the Cubs, right up this ramp.
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
Okay, what are these? It's like pellets or something in there, right? So these are all pellets?
There are different ones. There's carrots, bread,
Corn,
peanuts, pellets,
here,
corn.
I don't know which is which, so kind of open it up here. We don't even need to do it now.
Guess not, because we don't really have any. Hello. We get to pet some lemurs.
Lemur?
Lemur.
We're gonna have to come back again soon.
Oh my god, he's like so. Hey. Oh, there you go. There you go. Don't let him bite too hard on you.
Hey. I bet.
Here. You can bite. You can bite me. There you go. Hey. Be nice. Be nice. There you go. There you go. Poor baby. I know.
Wow.
He's aggressive.
Huh?
He's so aggressive.
Yeah.
He's so cute.
Look what he did to me.
I know. That's why I said. I was like, you gotta be careful. He'll bite you
Lion
pretty
bite.
hard. I think we have next a tiger or a panther. See, look at mine. They bite pretty hard. But that's why you have to be like all like, you have to give him like the knuckle. I know, even when he was biting my knee.
Yeah.
Still, I like it. I know. Oh, look at that face.
I like that. I like it.
Look at those paws. Oh my gosh! I'm scared. Oh, okay. Well, watch out for children. Oh my god. Well, you got your wish. It's flooding. It's straight up flooding in here. And the mirrors are, oh my god. I don't even know if we're gonna make it out alive. This is some torrential downpour right here.
This would not be a bad place to die.
And there's thunder and lightning too. They're looking at us like, what are they doing? Oh, I gotta put this camera away though. It's getting drenched.
I need goggles.
Hello YouTube. Today is the last full day in Mexico. A little bittersweet, I gotta say, but all good things must come to an end. Although it's not really the end, it's just the end for this moment. So we're enjoying a relaxing day today by the pool. Has some delicious food. And yeah, headed down back to the pool because I forgot sunscreen. Very important. Very, very, very important, especially for me. Trying to, but I'm wider, so what do you want from me? Yeah, gonna get some tan, hopefully. Do you like my outfit? So nice. This is from American Eagle, very stretchy crop top. And then my bathing suit is from Roxy. Not that anyone cares. And of course, the trusty rainbows. Always a good thing to have on hand. So yeah. Probably get some drinks as well. We'll see. Vacation's all about relaxing and having some drinks. 10-course adventure. My sad I'm leaving face. I'm sad I'm leaving. Well, and T-minus 3 hours and 40 minutes we'll be back in San Francisco.
Folks, we're looking for an Albert. Please ring your flight attendant call button. Thank you.